Today we're going to take a quick look at how we can use Ziflow and Monday together to support our online proofing process. In this video, we'll see how easy it is for us to create a proof in Ziflow, to send it out automatically to all of our reviewers, while also connecting it to its corresponding item in Monday to ensure our project management tool is always up to date with the status of the proof currently being reviewed. Right now, you'll see I'm on my Adventure Incorporated board inside of Monday. This is where I keep track of all of the projects for this particular client. You'll see I have an Adventure print ad item that's been assigned to me in the pre-review stage. As the creative, when I'm ready to go ahead and share this asset for review, I'll jump into Ziflow and create a new proof. The first thing I'll do is drag that file in here. You'll actually notice the proof renames itself to match the name of that file. Ziflow supports over 1,200 file types. I could also upload a video or a web banner or even a website like you'll see here into this proof, and it will actually combine them into one single proof. Now, for now, I'm going to stick to just the PDF because that's what that item in Monday is asking for. Now, in the brief section, I might want to include some additional information for my reviewers to check out. It could be a bit of text, it could be a link or a reference file as well. That will basically allow my reviewers to get a quick understanding of what they're looking at in the viewer. Speaking of those reviewers, I'm going to want to add them in now too. I could just drop in an individual or a group, but more than likely I'm going to choose a workflow template. You'll see in my template library, I have a variety of templates based around different review processes or different teams I'm working with. And when I drop a template in, that's going to bring in all of the right reviewers at the right time for me with the correct settings applied. This review starts off with the design team with myself, Carol, and Eric doing the initial review. We've got a deadline of Tuesday, November 7th, but if we need to change that, we can. Once this stage is approved, it then invites in Dana, our creative director. Dana will either say, hey, I need X, Y, and Z fixed, and she'll mark it as changes required and send it back to that design team. Or if she approves it, it'll then get sent off to any other stakeholders in our workflow. Now, the last step in here is to connect this proof to the corresponding item in Monday.com. When I open up that integrations pane, I can copy and paste the URL of that Monday.com item or even the ID number directly into the panel. Ziflow will automatically connect the proof to the correct item. But Ziflow also gives you the flexibility to search for an item manually by selecting the correct board, and then I'll connect it with the correct item using the drop-down menus. Whichever way you choose to associate the proof to the item, all I have to do from here is hit create, and Ziflow will go to work for me in a number of different ways. It will first upload the asset for me and get it ready for review. It will then invite in our stage 1 reviewers to let them know they've got this new proof to review inside of Ziflow. Finally, back in Monday.com, we'll see that the columns that are mirrored from the Ziflow proofs board have updated the item, complete with the status change. It will move it along the board and also include some information like the version number or deadline date. Now back inside of Ziflow, when I click into the proof information pane that shows my workflow, I can go into the integrations tab, and that's going to show me information about the item it's connected to, and I'll be confident that they will continue to be synced up going forward as new decisions are made and new versions are uploaded.